Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your recently deleted contacts on your Android phone. So you can see this phone option right here. We don't want to go to this. We want to go to the specific contacts application. So this is just a Google app, should be on your phone already. We can just swipe up and type in contacts. Contacts. Don't type in compass. So you can find it right here, contacts. And open this up. So you'll see your mom, your dad, your cousins, everyone else. We want to go on over to Organize right here. And if you go to Organize, you can see all this wonderful stuff. But if we scroll on down, you can see there's an option for, we can restore the contacts under here, contacts backup from your Android device, or recently deleted Google account contacts right here. We can just choose this and tap it. And if we have any contacts that we recently deleted, they will be listed under here. We can go their name and we can restore them now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.